Guys, in case you don't know, there has been a rumor that one of the popular Jamaican athlete known as Usain Bolt, he is not just popular, he is one of the greatest athletes all over the world. There has been rumor that he has started having an affair, or let me say a relationship, with one of the Jamaican athlete, one of the beautiful Jamaican athletes, Briana Williams. And if this news was true, I would have been happy, because imagine how beautiful their children are gonna be. Well, in this video I'll expose everything step by step on what really happened. Whether the rumor is true, you're going to know in this video. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Make sure to subscribe right now, like this video, and if you have anything to say concerning this, you think whether it's false or it's true, let me know in the comment section. Well, the relationship between Briana Williams and Usain Bolt started when he was spotted snapping picture with her and holding her on her left shoulder. It has spiced reaction on social media, and the truth behind this is that Usain Bolt is not having any affair with this girl. He's not having any affair. I repeat, there is nothing between these two people. It is just mere congratulation that Usain Bolt is congratulating her. But I don't know why some people just like trouble. They like making trouble, but I'm assuring you that Usain Bolt has nothing to do with this lady. He's only congratulating her. Make sure to subscribe, guys.